Light source. Fiber optic stripper. Drop cable stripper. Fiber holder. Fiber cleaver. Alcohol bottle. Separate the tail from the body by rotating the tail cap. Strip the cable jacket using the drop cable stripper. Put the cable in the fiber holder. Carefully strip the fiber cladding. Clean the fiber with an alcohol-soaked tissue. Put the fiber holder on the cleaver. Clip the fiber. Insert the fiber in the connector. Push the fiber fixing bracket upwards to lock the fiber. Rotate the tail inwards to connect it to the body. Take off the cap on the ferrule and put on the protective cap. Connect the connector to the light source. Ensure the cable is properly connected to the connector using the light source. Then turn off the light source and disconnect it.